I'm a DoorKey and I'm so happy with my life. Yo, it's me, Kiki. I am the DoorKey, but you can call me Key for short. I'm the life of the party. Or at least, this house. I've been around here for as long as I can remember, watching families come and go. Laughter and tears fill the air, and countless memories being made. And let me tell you, it's been one heck of a ride. I've seen kids grow up from tiny bundles of joy to awkward teenagers to mature adults. All while I've remained steadfast in my role as the gateway to their adventures, their secrets, and their dreams. I've witnessed the love between couples deepen over the years, their bond growing stronger with each passing day. And I've been there for the quiet moments, too. The times when families gather around the fireplace, sharing stories and basking in each other's warmth. You know what the best part is? I get to be a part of all of it. I'm the silent observer, the ever-present companion, the keeper of secrets and memories. And I wouldn't trade it for the world. Sure, there have been some tough times, some moments of sadness and loss. But even through those dark clouds, the sun always manages to shine through. And I'm always there to remind everyone that even in the midst of darkness, there is always hope, always light, always love. So, what's my advice to you, my dear homeowner? Embrace the good times and the bad. And never forget that this house, your home, is filled with an abundance of love, laughter, and life. Cherish the memories you create in this house. Laugh until your sides hurt. Cry when you need to. And most importantly, never stop making new memories. Because life is too short to take it for granted. Oh, and one more thing, don't lose me. I'm the key to your happiness, you know. Thanks for watching.